Rome Statute of the International Criminal Court, Judicial Vacancy, the Presidency and the Chambers. Article 37. Judicial Vacancies. 1. In the event of a vacancy, an election shall be held in accordance with Article 36 to fill the vacancy. 2. A judge elected to fill a vacancy shall serve for the remainder of the predecessor's term and, if that period is 3 years or less, shall be eligible for re-election for a full term under Article 36. Article 38. The Presidency. 1. The President and the first and second Vice Presidents shall be elected by an absolute majority of the judges. They shall each serve for a term of 3 years or until the end of their respective terms of office as judges, whichever expires earlier. They shall be eligible for re-election once. 2. The first Vice President shall act in place of the President in the event that the President is unavailable or disqualified. The second Vice President shall act in place of the President in the event that both the President and the first Vice President are unavailable or disqualified. 3. The President, together with the first and second Vice Presidents, shall constitute the Presidency, which shall be responsible for a. the proper administration of the court, with the exception of the office of the prosecutor, and b. the other functions conferred upon it in accordance with this statute. 4. In discharging its responsibility under paragraph 3a, the Presidency shall coordinate with and seek the concurrence of the prosecutor on all matters of mutual concern. Article 39. Chambers. 1. As soon as possible after the election of the judges, the court shall organize itself into the divisions specified in Article 34, paragraph b. The Appeals Division shall be composed of the President and 4 other judges. The Trial Division of not less than 6 judges and the Pretrial Division of not less than 6 judges. The assignment of judges to divisions shall be based on the nature of the functions to be performed by each division and the qualifications and experience of the judges elected to the court, in such a way that each division shall contain an appropriate combination of expertise in criminal law and procedure and in international law. The trial and pretrial divisions shall be composed predominantly of judges with criminal trial experience. 2a. The judicial functions of the court shall be carried out in each division by chambers. b. I. The appeals chamber shall be composed of all the judges of the appeals division. 2. The functions of the trial chamber shall be carried out by 3 judges of the trial division. 3. The functions of the pretrial chamber shall be carried out either by 3 judges of the pretrial division or by a single judge of that division in accordance with this statute and the rules of procedure and evidence. C. Nothing in this paragraph shall preclude the simultaneous constitution of more than 1 trial chamber or pretrial chamber when the efficient management of the court's workload so requires. 3a. Judges assigned to the trial and pretrial divisions shall serve in those divisions for a period of 3 years, and thereafter until the completion of any case the hearing of which has already commenced in the division concerned. b. Judges assigned to the appeals division shall serve in that division for their entire term of office. 4. Judges assigned to the appeals division shall serve only in that division. Nothing in this article shall, however, preclude the temporary attachment of judges from the trial division to the pretrial division or vice versa, if the Presidency considers that the efficient management of the court's workload so requires, provided that under no circumstances shall a judge who has participated in the pretrial phase of a case be eligible to sit on the trial chamber hearing that case.